Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Let's face it, looking sharp isn't just a luxury anymore. It's a must-have in our everyday lives. Whether you're rocking that casual 5 o'clock shadow or going full lumberjack with a thick beard, keeping your facial hair in check is key to making a great impression. And that's exactly why today we're diving into the MANSCAPED Premium Men's Beard Trimmer. This isn't just any trimmer. It's designed for the modern man who values style, precision, and of course, ease of use. So let's get right into it. Before we jump into the features, let's chat about why grooming matters in the first place. We all know that first impressions are crucial, right? Whether it's a job interview, a date night, or just tackling the daily grind, a well-groomed beard speaks volumes about your confidence and how much you care about your appearance. It shows that you pay attention to the details. If you're ready to step up your grooming game, then stick around, because this trimmer could be the upgrade you've been looking for. All right, let's get into the juicy stuff, the features that make the MANSCAPED Beard Trimmer truly stand out. First off, we've got precision and power. This trimmer is equipped with an ultra-sharp blade, paired with several guard options, so you've got total control over your look. Whether you're going for that crisp, clean lines or a more natural finish, this beauty delivers without any tugging or irritation. Plus, the powerful motor makes it a breeze to handle even the thickest manes, so you don't have to worry about it getting stuck mid-trim. This isn't one of those flimsy throwaway trimmers. Nope. The MANSCAPED Beard Trimmer is built with premium materials that not only look good but feel good in your hand. Its robust design ensures that it'll stand the test of time, and that ergonomic grip, total game changer. It gives you the kind of control you need for a flawless grooming experience. You'll feel like a pro every time you use it. What's even better? It's super versatile. Whether you're trimming your beard, shaping your neckline, or cleaning up those sideburns, this trimmer can handle it all. Seriously, it's like the Swiss Army knife of grooming tools. It's an all-in-one solution that meets every grooming need you can think of. Now, let's talk about cleaning, because we all know how tedious that can be, right? But with Manscaped, it's easy peasy. This device has detachable, washable components, so you can quickly clean it up and get back to more important things like enjoying life instead of dealing with a messy trimmer. And for those of you who are always on the go, this trimmer is travel-friendly. Its compact, sleek design means you can just toss it in your bag and you're good to go. Whether you're off to the office or heading out for a weekend adventure, you'll always be ready to look your best. Now, you might be wondering, does this thing actually work? Well, let me tell you, thousands of men have swapped their old trimmers for Manscaped, and the reviews are in. One happy customer said, "Best trimmer I've ever owned. It's powerful, precise, and feels premium in every way." Another chimed in, "This thing cuts like a dream. No tugging, no irritation, just a smooth trim every time." And let's not forget the sleek design and incredible battery life, perfect for travel. When you see so many satisfied users, you know you're onto something great. So, are you ready to take your grooming routine to the next level? If you are, click the link in the description below to grab your own MANSCAPED Premium Beard Trimmer. Trust me, your beard will thank you. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more grooming tips, product reviews, and style hacks. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and share this video with your buddies who need to step up their beard game. All right, gentlemen, it's time to trim smarter, not harder. With the MANSCAPED Beard Trimmer, you'll feel confident and look sharp with every cut. Thanks for tuning in, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.